Is the Canon EOS R10 the new king of APS-C cameras? Let's find out. Or looking for a powerful vlogging camera that won't break the bank? Check out the Canon EOS R10 in this quick review. Or do you need to upgrade your phone camera? Here's why the Canon EOS R10 might be perfect for you. Let's start. If you are new here, please like and subscribe. Let us don't lose much time and we start. Canon EOS R10. The Canon EOS R10 is a mirrorless camera with an APS-C sensor. It was announced in May 2022 and is aimed at enthusiast photographers and videographers. The EOS R10 has a 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor and can shoot at up to 15 frames per second with the mechanical shutter or 23 frames per second with the electronic shutter. It can also record 4K video at up to 30 FPS or Full HD video at up to 120 FPS. The EOS R10 has a vari-angle touchscreen LCD screen, which can be flipped out to the side for selfies or vlogging. It also has an electronic viewfinder with a resolution of 2.36 million dots. The EOS R10 is compatible with Canon's RF mount lenses, which include a wide range of full-frame and APS-C lenses. It is also compatible with EF and EF-S lenses via an optional adapter. The EOS R10 is a good option for photographers and videographers looking for a compact, versatile camera with good image quality. It is also a good choice for those who want a camera compatible with Canon's RF mount lenses. Here are some of the key features of the Canon EOS R10. 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor. Up to 15 FPS with mechanical shutter, 23 FPS with electronic shutter, 4K video recording at up to 30 FPS, Full HD video recording at up to 120 FPS, vari-angle touchscreen LCD screen, electronic viewfinder with 2.36 million dots, compatible with Canon RF mount lenses, compatible with EF and EF-S lenses with optional adapter, sensor and focusing, dual pixel CMOS AF2. This advanced autofocus system offers excellent subject tracking for people, animals, and vehicles in both photos and videos. It ensures sharp focus even with fast-moving subjects. Low-light focusing. With 4EV low-light focusing, the EOS R10 can lock focus even in dimly lit environments. Image and video. 4K. Oversampling. The 4K video footage is oversampled from 6K for exceptional detail and sharpness. High frame rate options. Capture smooth slow-motion video with Full HD at 100 FPS or 120 FPS. 10-bit recording, HLG. For advanced video editing, the EOS R10 allows 10-bit recording with the HLG, hybrid log gamma format, which offers a wider dynamic range for richer colors, connectivity and sharing. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Connect the camera to your smartphone for easy image sharing and remote control via the Canon Camera Connect app. Direct Wi-Fi connection. Upload photos and videos directly to the cloud platform image. Canon for convenient storage and sharing. Live streaming. Stream directly to YouTube for live content creation. Other features. Vari-angle touchscreen. LCD. This allows for comfortable shooting from various angles, making it great for vlogging and selfies. 2.36 million electronic viewfinder, EVF, provides a high-resolution view for accurate framing and composition. Fast, continuous shooting. Capture fast-paced action with continuous shooting speeds of up to 23 frames per second with the electronic shutter. Things to consider. APS-C sensor. While offering good image quality, the APS-C sensor is smaller than full-frame sensors found in higher-end cameras. This can affect low-light performance and background blur. No weather sealing. The EOS R10 might not be ideal for use in harsh weather conditions. Limited physical controls. Compared to some higher-end models, the EOS R10 has fewer physical dials and buttons, which some users might prefer for quick adjustments. Overall, the Canon EOS R10 is a compelling option for photographers and videographers seeking a balance between performance, size, and affordability. It excels in capturing action, offers good image quality, and boasts strong video features. Whether it's the perfect choice depends on your specific needs and priorities. To achieve cinematic video on the Canon R10, you can follow these recommended settings and tips. 1. Resolution and frame rate. 4K resolution. Set your camera to record in 4K at 24 fps, 23.98 fps for a cinematic look. This setting provides the highest quality as it is oversampled from 6K footage, ensuring detailed and sharp video. 1080p resolution. If you prefer full HD, you can use 1080p at 24 fps. This setting is also good for cinematic video and allows for easier handling of files 4:2. Shutter speed. Shutter speed. Set your shutter speed to double your frame rate. For 24 fps, use a shutter speed of 150. This helps achieve the natural motion blur that is characteristic of cinematic footage. 3. Picture profile. HDR-PQ. Use the HDR-PQ setting for 10-bit color, which enhances dynamic range and allows for better color grading in post-production. This setting works across all frame rates in both 4K and 1080p 4:4. White balance. White balance. Manually set your white balance to match your lighting conditions. This ensures consistent color temperature throughout your footage. 5. Autofocus. Autofocus. Settings. Use the touch screen to select your focus points. The Canon R10's autofocus system is reliable, but manually selecting focus points can help maintain control over your shots. 6. Exposure. Exposure. Compensation. Adjust the exposure compensation to ensure your footage is neither too dark nor too bright. A neutral setting, 0, is a good starting point, but adjust as needed based on your scene. 7. Additional tips. Lighting. Use natural lighting or a single video light to enhance the cinematic quality of your footage. Proper lighting is crucial for achieving a professional look. Stabilization. Use a tripod or gimbal to stabilize your shots, reducing camera shake and ensuring smooth footage. By following these settings and tips, you can maximize the cinematic potential of your Canon R10 and produce high-quality video content. If you enjoy, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.